Hello, this is our presentation for activity number 1. I am Lucille Dian Verana and together with me is Mr. Louver John Palma, and we are going to be discussing all about filters. A filter is a circuit capable of passing or amplifying certain frequencies while attenuating other frequencies. We are in this video we are going to discuss the four basic types of filter, which is the low pass filter, high pass filters, band pass filters, and band stop filters. So for the first type of filter, we have the low pass filter. A low pass filter is an electronic circuit that permits low frequency signals compared to their cutoff frequency to travel through while barricading high frequency signals. It limits or smoothens the continuous amendments in a signal, and this allows to experience more predictable and managed output signals. The common applications for low-pass filters are first for image processing. So the Gaussian filter is one of the best examples of low-pass filters in image processing because it blurs and smoothens visuals, thereby preventing noise and improving the overall image quality. Next is communication. So low pass filters are implemented to restrict the signal bandwidth, which prevent high frequency elements from interfering. For the design application of low pass filters, as you can see in the figure, in this type of filter arrangement, the input signal or the VIN is applied to the parallel combination of the resistor and capacitor. Pero the output signal is taken across the capacitor. So a low pass filter can be easily made by connecting together a single resistor with a single capacitor in parallel. The next type of filter is the high pass filter. A high pass filter is an electronic filter that allows high frequency signals to pass through while reducing the amplitude of low frequency signals. So we have two types of high pass filter, which is the passive high pass filter and the active high pass filter. A passive high-pass filter is a type of filter made up of passive electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors, and on the other hand, unlike their passive counterparts, an active high-pass filter uses active electronic components such as transistors and operational amplifiers. Some applications of this type of filters are first commonly used in audio processing to remove low frequency noise, including applications like audio amplifiers and equalizers where high frequencies are desired. Next is in image processing. So high pass filters are often used to enhance the edges and other high frequency components in digital images. The next type of filters will be discussed by Mr. Louver Palma.
Good day, my name is Louver John F. Palma, and I'll be presenting the bandpass filter and the bandstop filter. So for this filter, it is a device that controls the flow of electric signals. It allows signals within a specific frequency range to pass through, while blocking signals outside that range. In short, it attenuates or suppresses the signals with frequencies outside the band of frequencies. It also has five types: the active bandpass filter, passive bandpass with RLC, wide bandpass, and narrow bandpass. So similar with the other filters, it also has its applications. So for this one, it is used in optics and transmitters and receivers. And this bandpass filter, like in this figure shown, it can be constructed by simply cascading a high pass and low pass stage. So as you can see here, the cutoff frequency of the high pass circuit becomes the low cutoff frequency, which is labeled as F1. And for the bandpass filter and the cutoff frequency for the low pass circuit becomes the high cutoff frequency, F2. And next is our band stop filter. So this filter, also known as notch filter, is used in circuits that block only a selected range of frequencies and allows others to pass through. So it would be an inverse of the bandpass filter and can be created using the same input at a high pass and a low pass filter. So by combining a basic RC low pass filter with a RC high pass filter, it forms a simple band pass filter that will pass a range or band of frequencies either side of two cutoff frequency points. As for its application, it is used in the medical field rather, like the biomedical instruments for the removal of noise, and it is used in DSL internet services and can be a noise reducer. So it is used for removing the interference on the line. And lastly, it is used in reducing the static on a radio. And that is all. Thank you.